Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your account how to create actually an account on a Robinhood application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and and download the Robinhood application. If you don't have it on your phone, right? Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and open, of course, the app, and as you can see, that will actually be your home. Not home, it's actually the first screen that you will have after opening the application. So here on, of course, you wouldn't like to log in because you don't have an account. You would like to click here at sign up, and of course before of that you'd like to actually see the terms because approval are required and link bank to quality, of course. So let's just go and click at sign up. So here you would like to choose your free stock, so you will get at least $5 to invest in this company you want to sign up after. So of course, choose whatever you want from here, or you can just go here and click at choose later after you enter the application. So here you would like to enter your email address. For me, like as an example, or let's just like do this maybe, or let me just grab here a valid email address. Let me just go search in my emails. So that's a valid email address. Let me just copy it. Sorry to let you wait. So here I'm just going to actually add there because they might ask me to even verify my email. So here I would like to just to create a password. So let me just do from 1 to 9, then actually add maybe a letter or something, then click at continue. So here, as you can see, what's your legal name? Of course, if you want to use this uh, actually this application like professionally, please add your legal name. For me, I'm just going to add test because I'm not even interested on using it. So just click at continue. Of course, we wait until it actually load, and as you can see, they will ask you actually to help them to verify your identity. So of course we've required by law to collect certain information that help us know it's you when you log into Robinhood. It's all about keeping your account safe. So just go and click continue. Of course, here you would like to add your phone number, change country if required. Of course, I cannot do that at the moment, so let me just tell you the steps that's coming in the future. So all you need to do here, just add your number. Of course, they will send you a code to verify your number. It's not like email right now. Then you would like to actually add a social number, social security number. Of course, if you're living in USA, you know what that is. If you don't know what that is, all you need to do, just go type in Google social security generator, type one number there, and you will be actually good to go. So then all you need to do, just go and take a picture of your identity, put it there, and they may even ask you to take a picture of yourself right now. You will need to take picture of that, then click at submit, and you will be actually good to go. You will successfully create you will successfully have an account at Robinhood application. So that will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.